2 times table. Are you ready for learning with me? Without further delay, let's get started. Now we are learning 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Let's practice again. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Practice with me, okay? 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 8. Was it fun? Yes, it was so super fun. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to watch more fun and educational videos, just like, share and subscribe.